What's up? What's up, G? Salvage or what?
Major.
Salvage. I want to see Paulo's reaction right now. Look at him.
They killed this thing.
It's ugly, huh?
This is sad,
It's time for you to make it look nice, though, you know?
Where's the trim?
I don't know. It flew off on the freeway.
No way.
I'm just kidding. It's actually at Daniel's house. We had to get new clips, but I'm gonna put it back on.
Bro. Oh my god. Hey, you wanna buy it?
What would you call this in Portuguese?
Trash.
How do you say that?
Lixo.
Lixo?
Lixo. Salvage, bro.
I know, it's pretty bad. It's really bad. But it's gonna look good, look. Right now we're gonna go drop it off to get wrapped and it's gonna look brand new again. Oh yeah, we're missing one of those too. You got any? We need that.
Has the engine?
Hey, you wanna see the engine bay? You'll be very surprised, brother. Watch this. This is what I'm proud of.
Wow.
20,000 miles, G.
Brand new.
The engine bay is the only thing that looks good on this car.
It's clean.
And the headlights too. I just redid them.
Oh yeah, I just did.
The headlights look all brand new again. Anyways, what's up guys? Stay watching another video. How do we go from driving my twin turbo R8 to my clapped out E92? But today is probably gonna be the last day you guys see it looking this ugly, all right? I know we're all tired of looking at it like this, especially me, bro. I can't believe I drove it over an hour looking like that. It's so embarrassing. But today is the last day that car will look ugly. We're gonna go drop it off at Premium right now to get the car wrapped finally. I have yet to pick a color. I'm stuck between like 3 or 4 colors right now. I don't know what color to do. I gotta make up my mind because I gotta tell them like right now when I get there. But Beamer Plug is around the corner. Thought I'd stop by here, show them the car, get some more laughs about it because it is funny, bro. Everyone that looks at this car is like, bro, there's no way it's that bad. Like, look at this. It's horrible. But after the wrap, we're actually gonna come back here. Good thing they're around the corner. So straight from the wrap shop, and come back here again and we're gonna install all the carbon fiber. Beamer Plug got me a front lip. They got me a diffuser. What else are we getting from them? Oh, we're adding CarPlay in the car, so that's gonna be cool. Like a whole updated iDrive with CarPlay. I think mirror caps, because I'm missing one. And we'll see what else. But yeah, we're gonna have a huge transformation on the car very, very soon. Right after the wrap, all the carbon's gonna go on. And then the car's gonna look perfect after that. New wrap, new carbon. I can't wait, bro. I just wanna see it one color and put together. Also, I try to take off as much wrap as I can so that Premium doesn't have to do all the work, but that's all I got, guys. The back is giving us a lot of trouble. This is pulling off in like little tiny pieces, but I'm gonna see, maybe Premium will have like a better solution to take this off, because I don't know, maybe they have like a good technique, because I give up, bro. My hands hurt. Everything else should come off easy though. The hood, the side skirts, like all this came off super easy. It's just the rear bumper that's giving us problems. But yeah, look how much stuff is missing, guys. Mirror caps, the hood vent. Oh, we did order this though. It's at Daniel's house. We also did order new clips for the window trims. They're at Daniel's house too, so shout out to Daniel. We're gonna put them back on after the wrap. But yes, the car has no window trims right now. Don't mind it. At least the headlights look good.
Yeah, they look really clean.
Trash. We'll put it in the trash can real quick. Bro.
This is your first one.
Yeah. What's up? My first car. Except they ruined it, bro.
I know the vlog thing. I used to watch this video when I was like 16 in high school.
Really?
Home from high school. Have like a Chipotle bowl.
And see this
at
car.
the desk, and it'd be like 3 p.m. Go back from school, watch this bad thing.
That's crazy. And it's so funny because I meet people still to this day and they all tell me the same thing. Like, bro, I've been watching you since the E92 days. So it is crazy to have my old car back, bro. Like, it's insane.
In person.
I wish you would have saw it back then. Because right now, it's not looking good. But we're going to bring it back to life with the help of Beamer Plug.
Sorry, we're here.
I know. Literally, it's going to look brand new, bro. It's not bad. Like, engine-wise, transmission-wise, bro, this shit sounds like perfect, bro. Drives good, downshift's good, everything. It's just cosmetic.
Just doesn't look good.
Yeah, just they left it in the sun for freaking years. This is literally for me, look, for Nick. It's a big old diffuser, dude. It's huge. I want to see it. Should I open it? But yeah, this is the whole under tray diffuser. I've always wanted this diffuser back in the day with my E92, and I'm finally gonna get it back on my old E92. But it's huge, guys. Like, this is the whole diffuser. Massive. And then we got the front lip right here. Again, it says for Nick right here. And I believe this is the trunk spoiler, but I don't think we're gonna put it on after all because I put the big wing on it. Parts have been here for a long time. I just haven't had time to do it. Are my G80 girls still here too?
Bro, yes.
For how long, bro?
I have parts for the G80, for the R8, for the E92.
R8 too?
Yes, I have mirror caps.
What? Bro, I need those. Do it. What?
Wow, I like what you guys do with the shop.
The trunks are scary up there. What if they fall? Ooh.
Paddles for the E92.
Ooh, E92 part. These are gonna be sick. Magnetic paddles. What's that, G?
Told you, brother.
For real?
Sell this.
No, bro, I need these.
Why?
This is what everyone keeps telling me about. So I need to get this from R8.
Bro, I texted you like 5 months ago. You never replied to me. You're fake.
Guys, Beamer Plug's so far from me. I try to come out here.
Move down here.
I do need to move out here.
Boom.
Damn. For the R8? Bro, that's gonna look crazy. That's like the last piece that I need. Everything's carbon on the car except for the mirror caps.
Alright, I'll install it and then you're gonna drive it.
Alright, you can drive it. I swear I let you drive it. Yeah, we have a lot of parts to install, guys. There's no excuse to miss a day of Vlogmas, see?
Did Kevin show you all the parts right here?
These, yeah. But that diffuser's huge. It's literally huge, bro. That's gonna look so sick. I've always wanted that diffuser back in the day.
Yeah, it looks hard.
But I was broke back then, G.
Never broke.
Couldn't do it.
Never broke again.
Never broke again, NBA. NBA Nick.
NBA Nick.
What are you installing?
Dash cam.
I need one of those.
Yeah. I feel like everybody needs one.
Can I have it?
Yeah? $5.
$5? Looks bad, sounds good.
Literally. Alright, let's go to premium now. Also, what day is it? Is it day 4 of Vlogmas or 3? I don't know, but we haven't missed a day. And I'm not gonna miss a day, okay? I'm gonna try not to miss a single day for Vlogmas. 25 days in a row. We got like 20 more days left. 21 days, I don't know. You guys wanna know a funny story? My second wrap shop was right there. I haven't told anybody, but yeah, that's my second wrap shop. Not the first one, but the second one that I tried again and I failed. But it's not bad to fail, all right, guys? Failing in these businesses and relationships and friendships, it's all learning lessons, life lessons, and it leads you to the person you are today. I probably wouldn't have the R8 right now if I didn't go through that business failure at that shop right there. I didn't even vlog that part of my life, but like it was the most stressful time of my life. I had $4,500 rent every single month. I didn't tell anybody. I had to pay it. I couldn't break the lease. They wanted $100,000 to break the lease. So I had to figure it out. I had to pay it some months without even making business out of it or making money from it. And then luckily I had somebody that was subleasing it from me, but then that didn't work out toward the end either. So I ended up throwing more months away. I threw so much money away at that wrap shop, bro. Even the last one, all the wrap shops. But like I said, it's life lessons, and it builds you to the person you are today, bro. But how crazy is it? It's right there, right next to premium and right by Beamer Plug. Look, I'm already at premium. That's how close Beamer Plug is, bro. One little conversation. He's like, hell no. I feel like the car's so bad that premium is not even gonna want to wrap it, guys. Oh! But this has to be the most clapped out cars you guys ever seen.
It's so low, dog. Did you just scrape the driveway?
I think I did.
Oh my god, bro. Dude, I thought this was black. It's like dark blue.
Yeah, it's like a blue.
Dude, yeah, I thought it was black all the time. Oh my god, bro. Look
Bro,
at this.
this car,
Dude, this thing slammed,
it needs a lot of love, brother.
Hey, well, let's get it done, bro.
I'm embarrassed to even bring it here, bro.
Nah, bro, you should see Daniel's whip, bro.
I was gonna tell Daniel, let's compare it to his GTR because he kind of neglected it too long.
That thing's bad, bro. You can see it in the corner over there,
Yeah.
bro. Dude, it's not that bad.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
Make you sad?
Hell yeah, this shit was so clean at one point and now it's
The headlights are
bad.
brand new.
You remember?
Yeah, I remember. Remember that orange with me in LA, like the rooftop one.
Everyone keeps telling me about that.
Yeah, because that's the first time in this color it was not released.
Yeah.
At the time. It was, I remember.
And it looked clean.
It was clean as fuck.
Now it's like, bro, they left it in the sun. They didn't take care of it.
Missing mirror cap.
Bro, it's missing a lot. Look, there's a missing hood vent, missing this.
The headlights look actually like brand new.
I know.
These in?
I just redid them, yeah.
Yeah, that looks fucking.
See, we're bringing it back to life, bro. Slowly but surely. For 5 years, I've been on here, bro. Hey, and it low-key came off pretty easy, though. I tried taking majority of it off for you guys.
Yeah.
I gotta take off the rest.
Yeah, the sun didn't do too much damage on it, bro.
The only thing, bro, is the back bumper. It's not coming off. I don't know why. It's not coming off, bro. It's cooked, especially right here.
Yeah, it's because they sanded it too. That shit makes it stick more.
Oh my god, bro.
It's
Oh, right here. Does it shoot flames?
Used to, yeah, back in the day.
Yeah, bro, probably all the heat, bro.
Yeah.
All the heat from this exhaust.
I think so too.
just burned it all through, bro.
I feel like once it's wrapped, it's gonna look brand new again.
Nah, here we go.
You know? Fresh paint job.
Project number what? Project number 3?
I know we did a lot of cars here. R8, my girl's car.
Girl's car. Yeah, we did that. We did your F80.
F80 like 2-3 times.
Bro. Yeah, let's knock it out. This is probably project number 5, bro.
Yeah,
We'll get it done by tomorrow.
The worst one, bro. But now is the hard part. Picking a color, bro. It is literally the most stressful thing is picking what color to do. And there's so many booklets too to look through. I'm stressed. I was stuck on Ruby Star, something like that. But now I keep changing my mind. I don't know what to do. Mint green again? It's too many colors, dude. Yellow E92? Honestly, I've never seen a yellow E92. Oh, Kevin would be happy if I did that. Orange, lime rock. Damn. And just recreate Kevin's car. Which one's Ruby Star, guys? Is it the lighter color or the darker color? I think Ruby Star is more like this, huh? Or we could do a red, bring it back, the FindingNick red. As you guys know, all my cars have been red at one point. And this car's actually been red at one point too, but should I bring it back? This is like my favorite red. It's like a candy red. Like my favorite ever shade of red.
Well, any color you choose, bro, we're gonna basically custom manufacture our own color with Vor, bro.
Yeah, I didn't even mention that. So Vor is the same PPF brand that we put on my G80, the sand black. And right now we're just trying to pick the shade, and then we're gonna create my own Vor color PPF, do a collab with them. So I am super hyped about that. Like I'm gonna have my own color wrap, dude, with Vor. So huge shout out to them, first and foremost. The sand black on my G80 looks insane. It looks like frozen paint. It does not look like wrap or PPF. It looks like paint. Yeah, right now we're pretty much just trying to find a shade for the E92. And like I said, we're gonna do color PPF again on this car. Only the best, color PPF. But I really cannot pick. Like, I don't know what to do, bro. I'm really thinking maybe one of these reds. A bright like Ferrari red like this. Like that's red. I wish you guys were here so you can help me pick. Look, we could do the color of my R8 turbos. Imagine the whole car like that. That'll be bright. This is nice too. I really like this. It's like a olive green. That is fire actually on the E92. But I feel like if we're gonna do like a FindingNick collab color, like my own color, I feel like we have to go something on brand, you know, like red or blue or something that screams FindingNick, you know? Teal again. We could do a teal again, but like a different shade. And then this color will also be available for you guys to get. We'll probably make it like super limited. But if you guys want like your own FindingNick shade of color, then we could all have matching cars. Maybe we'll do my whole fleet in this one color too. This is a lot of pressure, you see? Because I gotta pick the right one. Look, I actually really like this. It's like a khaki green. That is pretty sick. But does this scream FindingNick? I don't know. This is stressful, dude. This is so bad. The rear bumper's cooked, dude. Like, the rest of the car came out pretty easy, you know? But the back, bro, it's coming off in little pieces. Paint's all cooked right here. Don't worry, guys. Once it's wrapped, you won't see any of this stuff. We probably are gonna have to like sand some of this down though, not gonna lie, because you're gonna see it under the wrap. So we probably will sand that down, maybe sand this down. This is really bad. I don't know how it got this bad. I did see a lot of people tell me I should keep the OEM color, like this bluish black. Don't get me wrong, it does look good. The paint is so cooked, guys, we can't. Like, I would need a whole new paint job if I'm gonna do that. It's way cheaper just to wrap it, and way faster too. Once it's wrapped, it's gonna look like a brand new paint job. You won't even see any of this stuff underneath. Look, guys, I'm trying to help them out a little bit. Unwrap the rest of the car. There's still kind of a lot, bro. The side skirt, the fenders. We don't have to unwrap the front bumper because I'm actually gonna take Kevin's old bumper. Kevin said he has like 3 orange bumpers. So we're gonna take one from him because this one is cracked, I think. Like right here. And it's also sagging in the middle. I don't know why, but you see it? It's like sagging in the middle. So I think we're just gonna take Kevin's spare bumper. He has 3 spares, dude. But he's like, you can have one. So we're just gonna take that one. It already has the reflectors shaved off like this, and it doesn't have cracks, and it's not sagging either. So we don't need to take off this wrap. We're just gonna wrap over the orange bumper. Only you guys will know. Underneath the wrap, the new wrap, the bumper's gonna be orange, all right? We're gonna have a lime rock bumper on our car. All right, the hood wrap is off. Slowly but surely, dude. Dude, look at my fingers though. Oh my God. All my fingertips are like blistered up.
Did you choose a color?
No.
Let me see.
I really can't pick a color, G.
No way.
Can you get these carbon?
Yes.
For real? You said yes and you said no at the same time. You said yes. Just give me carbon ones, G.
You've been missing it for a while?
Yeah, I should
He wants everything.
I want everything carbon. The hood, the fenders, the doors.
Yes. 100%
Yes?
you should do it.
100%.
Yeah.
But that color's nice, I'm not gonna lie.
This is sick.
Way better orange than yours, G. No. Or should I just bring it back to the old school Finding Nick?
Red?
Yeah. What is Ruby Stars? Is it this one or this one?
This one.
That one?
Yes.
That's
Yeah,
Ruby
this is
Star?
Ruby Star.
That's tough. This one.
That's tough too.
This is
I know.
nice.
This one.
But you want bright, huh?
I want it bright though, like I want it to stand out. I'm still stuck between two colors. I couldn't make up my mind, but I think, I keep changing my mind, dude. Every single week I have a new color for that freaking car. It's because the E92s look good in any color, so it's hard to pick. I rounded it down to 2 colors now, and tonight I just gotta figure it out so they can hurry up and order it. The faster they order it, the faster they can wrap it. But anyways, before we head out, I want to show you guys this car real quick. Carbon fiber bumper, hood, fender, and doors. Look at this. Oh my God. I want to do carbon doors on my G80 and the bumper too. Like I've never seen a carbon bumper. GT3 RS, Daniel's GTR. This is what we were talking about when I first pulled up. And my boy Adrian was like, you're looking like Daniel's GTR. He's probably going to get mad at me for showing this, but Daniel's car is also neglected just like my E92. Damn, it looks sad. You gotta bring this back to life, Daniel, come on. It just needs a new wrap, same as mine, and a new bumper, but hey, literally just like mine. I need a new bumper, I need a new wrap. Maybe after we finish my E92, Daniel will get motivated to bring his GTR back. He told me if I want to buy it, but I don't know. Should I buy another GTR again? I still want transmission problems. No way we got the Bronco full. Oh, that's the dash cam?
Let's go get
You
ice cream.
installed?
Huh? Let's go get ice cream.
What'd you say?
That's the dash cam you installed?
Oh, I think you said that's the dash cam you
You installed, G.
Look, see, there's the back, and then there's the front.
Oh, it has a back camera too?
Yeah, it gets it from the back.
Twerk for us real quick.
So you get, so if you get hit in the back,
Yeah.
and in the front, it takes both.
Yeah. If you get a back shot, he's gonna record it.
It records back shot and front shot.
You guys are
You guys are sick-minded, man.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.